How to find browser setting on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find browser setting on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook, click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon up there. Now scroll down until you find browser. Click on it and here you're gonna find your browser setting, which is browsing data to clear your device cookies and cache from websites you have visited while using the Facebook mobile browser. And just click on clear or just manage your browser settings. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video or if it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.